So the classical startup tone in the Apple with such a protective screen, the butter paper. Let's remove this. It says hello. Click to proceed. So I'm clicking it to proceed. And then we have to choose the language. After choosing the language, next after language comes the country or region selection. So let's select the country or region. Then written and spoken languages are asking details. Then the accessibility. After that we have to give next. Then we have to select the Wi-Fi to proceed ahead. For that, after proceeding, after connecting to it should ask about data privacy, agree, and it has migration assist if you have any old laptops to Mac or something. You can do that as well. Next you have to sign in with your Apple ID. If you don't have one, create one and they'll send a verification code to the registered ID and it's done. Thank you guys.